Hello, scholars. Welcome to today's lesson. Today's lesson is all about figurative language. We have been talking about figurative language. We are going to be learning about 5 new figurative language or parts of figurative language during today's lesson. So let's get started. Okay, so we've gone over this video already. And if you haven't already gone over it, please go ahead and click on the video, watch it before you start the actual lesson, and then come back to it so that we can get into the heart of the lesson. So let's skip through that. So I'm assuming you've already watched it. Okay, so that video goes through 5 new parts of figurative language, and the first one is simile. So what is a simile? A simile compares two things using like or as. For example, your eyes are as blue as the ocean. Here, someone's eyes are being compared to the ocean using the word as. Next up is metaphor. What is a metaphor? A metaphor compares two things without using like or as. And the example is my teacher is a dragon. The teacher here is being compared to a dragon without using the words like or as. All right, moving on to the next one. Onomatopoeia. What is onomatopoeia? Onomatopoeia is a word that imitates the natural sounds of a thing. So here the example says, the cat purred when I scratched his back. The word purred is the onomatopoeia because it is telling you what sound the cat is making. Okay, moving on to personification. What is personification? Personification is when a thing, idea, or animal is given human attributes. My alarm clock yells at me every morning. In this sentence, this person is giving the alarm clock human attributes by saying that the alarm clock yelled at him or her, when we know that alarm clocks cannot yell. Yelling is a human attribute because we have a mouth, right? Alarm clocks do not have mouths, therefore they cannot yell. Alliteration. What is alliteration? Alliteration is when a number of words have the same first consonant sound. The lion licked his lips. The consonant sound in lion, licked, and lips are all forms of alliteration. You have the same sound in the sentence there with 3 of the words. All right, that is today's lesson or little snippet of the lesson. I hope that this was helpful to you, and if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I would love to help you out. Bye, friends.